Hi, my dear kids. A very good afternoon. So after your lunch, you have more energy, isn't it? More energy to watch your math class. I'm right, dear guys. Yes. So today we gonna see an interesting topic: circles. Okay, very interesting as well as very simple. So just drawing. So that's why I told you very interesting. Okay. So for this, you should take your compass. Okay. For this lesson, we need a compass, scale, as well as pencil. Okay. Now before now if you have that, please take and come along with me, or either watch this video afterwards, buy from the shop and you can use this. I thought most of you have this now. It's a very familiar thing now, so you have it. Am I right? So let's start our topic. Okay, my dear children. Okay, circles. Okay, so in this lesson you are going to learn how to draw a circle. Okay, what is the terms which we used in circles, that is radius, diameter, circumference. So those details we gonna learn from this lesson. Okay, before that, just let's see this takeoff session. This takeoff session is also very interesting. From the given object, identify the circular objects. Okay, here we have some, this takeoff session we have some objects are there. From this we want to identify circle things. Do you know what is the shape of this? Yes, it's cube, I'm right, so it's not circle. This one is a circle or any other shape, ma? Yes, you know very well, isn't it? It's a circle. This is a circle. This is a square shape. This is a circle. Okay. Now come to our topic, circle. Okay. You know, circle is a closed curve, isn't it? It has no sides, corner. It is complete round. It's a flat shape. Complete round, flat shape. This is a circle. So it has no side, no corners, nothing. It's a flat and complete round. Okay. Yes, this is a circle. Okay. How many sides does a circle have? Does circle have any sides, ma? Here the answer is 0 and 1. Which you gonna see? You gonna choose? Yes, yes. You know very guys. No guys, you know the answer very well. I'm right. Yes, very good guys. This is 0. Circle has no sides and no corners. Okay. So this is a circle. We gonna see some of the important terms used in this circle. Okay. Okay. Here we have one circle. Okay. Now we gonna see each terms. The first term is circumference. Okay. What does circumference means? The length of the boundary of a circle is called the circumference. Okay. This border is there, isn't it? This border length, this boundary length is called the length of the boundary of a circle is called circumference. Okay. Now every circle has a center. Okay, every circle has a center. This is called, what the center point is O. Okay, so every circle has a center. Okay, don't forget this thing. Every circle has a center. The distance between the center of the circle and any point on the circle is called the radius. So any point on the center from any point on the circle, anywhere you have to draw. Okay, from here to here or here to here, any point on the circle. You can give any name. Okay, A. So from here to here it is called radius. Okay, it's called what, ma? Radius. Okay. Now a line segment joining 2 points of the circle and passing through the center of the circle is called diameter. Okay. A line segment, any line, which this is a line segment joining 2 points and it is passing through the center, it touches the center of the circle, and this line is called diameter. This line is called what, ma? Diameter. Okay. Are you clear, my dear guys? Okay. So this OK, ON, OM, OA, these are called the radius. Okay. So diameter, what is diameter ma? Diameter which join the 2 points, and this a line segment contain 2 points and pass through the center of the circle is called diameter. Okay. Are you clear, my dear kids? These are the basic things about circles, and the length of the boundary of the circle is called circumference. Okay. Okay, dear children, let's move on to the very first example. Find the diameter of the circle if its radius is 6 centimeter. Okay, here I draw one circle for you for easy understanding. So here I draw one circle. Already we seen before, every circle has a center. Okay, so mark as O. So radius means from the center to, what is radius ma? From the center and any point on the circle is called radius. I meant from the center to any point on the any point. Okay, like here any point is called what ma? Radius. We can take this point as A. So OA is the radius. Now come to the question. Here the question, radius is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Okay, we want to find the diameter. Okay, are you clear, my dear kids? Now, what is diameter ma? What's the definition of our diameter? A line joining 2 points, any 2 points on the circle and passing through the center is called diameter. So this is A is one of the point. We can select another point. The condition is that both point, the line segment should pass the center. So we can draw one straight line here. So consider this point as B. Okay. So you should pass the center. Now it's a straight line. So this is the diameter. So from here to here is 6 equal length. Now what? Now my question is, if you want to find the entire length, this is diameter. This up to this is radius. Okay. This whole length is called diameter. Okay, this again I am repeating, this to this is radius, and from this to this entire line is called diameter. Okay, guys, are you clear? Now come to the question. So from this we can easily tell the answer. This to this 6 means, from this to this how much centimeter ma? 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 is the answer. But come to, we have one formula. Okay, so we know, always remember this. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Okay, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Similar to radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Guys, please understand this. So by heart this formula. So come to this, take a textbook and mark this 2 sections. It's very, very important formula. Okay, if they are in your textbook. Okay. Now, come to, we want to find diameter. So diameter D is equal to 2 into radius. Here our given radius is equal to given radius R. Okay. Radius R is equal to 6 centimeter. So diameter D is equal to 2 into radius. Radius is equal to 6 centimeter is equal to 12 centimeter. Are you clear, my dear kids? Yes? Come to the next example. Find the radius of the circle if its diameter is 20 centimeter. We know the formula. We want to find the radius R. Radius R is equal to diameter divided by 2. Already we seen this thing. I am right, guys? Yes? Now radius R is equal to 20 centimeter divided by 2, that's equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so consider one circle. In this circle, diameter means we know from here to here, or full line. Okay, this is diameter. The entire length is 20. It passes the center. Now radius means this to this length. Am I right? From this O to A. For example, O to A is called radius. Okay, so BOA is 20 means OA is half of this, just half of this, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, guys, are you clear? Just this is the easy and just 2 problems only. They are remaining all are drawing section. Okay. So before that, before going to that section, guys, please, we have some more things are there, some more definitions are there that we gonna underline in your textbook. So take page number 112. Okay. In this 112, so diameter divides the circle into two equal halves. Each half is called semicircle. Okay. Please underline this one. Diameter always cut the circle into two equal halves, that each part is called a semicircle. Okay, here we see already, see it, two equal halves. Diameter is always cut the given circle into two equal halves. So each half is called semicircle. Okay. Next definition, part of the circumference of a circle is called an arc. Already we learned that a part of the circumference, it is called, and it is a circumference. A part of the circumference, it is called as what, ma? Arc. Okay. Arc, please underline that. A part of circumference of a circle is called an arc. Okay. Next, a line segment joining 2 points on a circle is called a chord of a circle. Read as chord. Okay. Chord of a circle. See, two line segments. Okay. This line segment join 2 points on a circle, inside a circle. It is called chord of a circle. Okay. For example, draw a line like this. A line segment joining 2 points like P and Q, and this line is called as chord of a circle. This is called a chord of a circle. Okay. A chord that passes through the center of the circle is called diameter of the circle. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Please underline this, very, very important sections, ma. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Okay. So, come to this question, which of the following is the longest chord of the circle? Diameter is the answer. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Diameter. Okay. Now, next section is we are going to draw how to draw a circle using compass. Okay, guys? Okay, my dear guys. Here we gonna draw a circle using compass. Okay, drawing a circle using compass is our next topic. Before that, the needed things we know: compass, a pencil, scale, and a eraser. Okay. Before drawing, please keep your pencil tip as sharp. Okay, you now know how to keep the pencil in the compass. I am right, guys. Please keep it. Okay. So compass, scale, and eraser. Please keep everything beside you whenever you start drawing. Okay, guys. Very interesting. So here our example is here. Draw a circle of 3 centimeter. Okay. Take your scale. Okay. Take the compass. Okay. From the starting. From your starting, that is some other scales shown as 0. From 0 to 3. Okay. See, in my scale it's shown as centimeter. The very first line to 3. Okay. Sure. Exact 3 you want to take. Then only you get exact radius. Okay. So take like this. Okay. Are you clear, guys? Yes. Now take the scale. Okay. So our measurement is there. So don't change it. In between, don't change this measurement. Okay. Now clean the surface where you are going to draw. Okay. Keep the tip correctly. This tip is going to the center of the circle. Okay. Just rotate. Keep the center as it is. Okay. Now draw a circle. Okay. Keep the center as it is and rotate this. Okay. Don't be overdrawn. Just draw once. That's enough. Okay. Now the circle is ready. Okay. So first what you want to do? Take your scale and take 3 centimeter measurement. Place the needle of the compass on a paper. So you should fix it. Don't change that tip. Okay. Now rotate the pencil around it in direction till it reaches the starting point. Okay. Once again I am drawing keep the this is center point. Okay guys, now we are gonna start from here. So draw, don't change the pencil. Okay, so draw like this exactly. You should reach the starting point, which is the circle. Okay, are you clear, ma? So this figure obtained as a circle of radius 3. So you can measure from your center to the radius or to the circumference of the one of the a point in the circle. You can measure. You will get exact 3. Okay, this is called the radius O. This is A. Any point on the circumference of the circle. Any point on the circle. This is radius. 3 centimeters. So it's correct. Okay, are you clear, guys? Okay, guys. Next we're gonna see types of circles. Okay, in this types of circle, the first one is concentric circle. In this concentric circle, it's very simple. Okay, having same center but different radii. Okay, center is same. First we gonna draw a circle with 1 centimeter. Next we going to draw with 2 centimeter. Then 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So different radii. This is called a concentric circle. We gonna draw now. Just before that, we just see the glance about that. Okay. The next one is intersecting or overlapping circles. Okay. This also, first you want to draw a circle. With this A as center, again take another radius and draw another circle. Okay. Then B as the center, draw a circle with 3 centimeter. Okay. So I am going to explain this now. Next one is circle touching externally. First you want to draw a line. Here also, first you want to draw a line AB. Next with the A as center, draw one circle. Next B as center, draw one circle here. But here, with A as center, draw a circle of equal distance. Okay. Here 5 centimeter is there. First we gonna draw a circle with 4 centimeter. Next 3 centimeter. But here 6 centimeter is there. With the A we can draw with 3 centimeter circle. Here also 3 centimeter as circle. If you draw like this two circle will touch. Okay. So circle touches externally. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Our first type of circle is concentric circles. For that we are gonna see that how to draw the concentric circles. Okay. Here with the 2 centimeter, first I drawn a circle. Next I am going to draw a circle with 4 centimeter. Okay, with the same center. Okay, with same center I am gonna draw a circle with 4 centimeter. Okay. Next I am going to draw here this is 4 centimeter. From the same center it is 4 centimeter. Okay. Next I take 6 centimeter measurement and I'm gonna draw a circle. Okay. Okay. This is called concentric circle. With the same center we gonna draw different circle. Here I marked as 6 centimeter. Okay, guys, are you clear? Our next section is intersecting or overlapping circle. For this, first here I drawn a line segment AB. Okay, AB. I drawn a line segment AB with 5 centimeter long. Okay, are you clear? With A and B. Now I am going to draw a center. With this A center, 4 centimeter radius, I am gonna draw one circle. Okay. Okay, with A center 4 centimeter radius, I draw one circle. Okay. Now I am going to draw a circle with radius 3. Okay, with a B as center, I am going to draw a circle with radius 3 centimeter. Okay. So B as center, drawn one circle. Okay. This is intersecting or overlapping circles. Okay. In this third type of circle, circles touching externally, here I drawn one line segment AB of 6 centimeter. Next I am gonna draw with A as center, draw a circle of 3 centimeter. Okay? So with A as center, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Okay? Again with this same radius 3 centimeter, I am gonna draw B with B as center. Okay, B as center also I am going to draw a circle of 3 centimeter as radius. Okay. Now this two circle touches externally, not internally. External means outer. This both circumference will touching. It's called circles touching externally. Okay, guys. So dear children, please practice more with this section, okay? Use different radii, draw different more circles, okay? Practice more, okay, with these types of circle, in intersecting, overlapping circles, circles touches each other. You should practice by your own example, okay? Then come to this box, circle with different radii but a common center. What type of circle are this? This is a concentric. Here, come to this concentric. Same center but different radii. Okay? Okay guys, I thought you guys this circle class is very interesting. Please try to draw. Okay, very interesting, I'm right. So you should guys try to draw those things with your own example. Okay? Regarding doubt about this video, please text me or call me. Okay? Thank you students. Thank you. Take care.